Hello everyone, my name is Pawan Kumar. My roll number is 21EC10050. I am first year undergraduate student of section 2 of IIT Kharagpur. Today I will show the disassembly and reassembly of this LED bulb. This is my third DIY assignment. See, this LED bulb is working properly. Let's start the assembly. First I open this. This is called diffuser. It is made of thermosetting plastic. Diffuser helps distribute light in outer surface. This is the body of this LED bulb. This base unit is the metallic part that connects the bulb to the holder. Then I open this screw. This is LED assembly board. LED are fixed in this board. Here positive and negative polarity are mentioned. This plate is called heat sinks. This is made of aluminum material. Main purpose of heat sink is absorb the heat of LED and increase the lifetime of LED. This is LED driver. Function of this is the convert AC into DC and supply necessary output voltage. Here inside this one resistor. This is a polarized capacitor, also a brown color non-polarized capacitor. This yellow is a transformer, and below this a diode which rectify the current, also a super diode or some small resistor. Then I try to reassemble of this LED. Now my bulb is reassembled. Now I will go and test with holder. Now my bulb is running. That means no wire connection has broken. Thank you.